Good morning, this is Kim with Deepwater Happy here, and in my last video I went through the contents of my classroom first aid kit, which I've got right here. Had a good conversation yesterday with our school resource officer about the portability of this and the reason that there is nothing on the outside to get caught, no scissors, anything like that, and that's mainly because I'm in a classroom and scissors will get borrowed and not returned. Also, the other reason is that in the event that I need to get this to somebody else across a crowd, I can have somebody throw it to them and there's nothing on the outside to get caught. So my cycling partner has ordered something from North American Rescue, and I made him wait. He started slitting it open. I made him wait. I said, I'll do an unboxing, and I want to see what's in here. The idea is that as we receive more training, we are constantly updating what is in our different first aid kits, and we have one in the car that's for traveling. I have one here in my classroom, and actually have another second larger one in my classroom. You saw that video, and here's some things he thought we should add to our kit. So, oh, absolutely. So I wanted to check and see. Okay, these are North American Rescue survival blankets, and I think these are maybe just a little bit better quality than the ones that we have in our kits so far. They're definitely a little bit larger, so that's a little bit of a drawback, but I would imagine that this one is a lot better quality, and that's why it's thicker. So there's that from North American Rescue. I know that in my small kit, there's the bell. In my small kit, I have 2 blankets in here, and then in my larger kit I also have 2, and I do need more in there than I have, and so this possibly could fill in that gap. Okay, the next thing in the box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangular bandages, and I believe the triangular bandage is the one that is more like a splint. And I'll have to really, this is latex free, I'm really going to have to think about if this is something that I want to add to my first aid kit for my classroom first aid kit, because the idea of my kit is to keep it very small, light, portable, and just have the main items that I want in it: the tourniquets, the packing, the bandages, blankets, markers, not a whole lot more. And so I think I will add the survival blankets to my larger kit that I showed you the other day, but I don't know that I'm going to add any triangular bandages. I'm going to think about this. I might. If you have any ideas about why I should or shouldn't include triangular bandages in my classroom first aid kit, let me know. Is the offset in volume and weight in my bag, is it worth what the space I'll lose, or is this something I really need to have? Or with a bleeding control kit, do I really just need to stick to the essentials and just keep it as a bleeding control kit? So let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. Click the little bell down here, that way you get notifications when I upload a new video. I've got some more really great videos coming up, some dive trip videos, more first aid videos, a little bit of training here and there for different things, and hope to see you soon.